Bore da. Hello, my name is Rhiannon Jones and today we're celebrating International Nurses Day and the theme A Vision for Future Healthcare. May the 12th is Florence Nightingale's birthday and it enables global recognition of the contribution made by nurses, midwives and healthcare support workers to patient and population health and well-being. Last year was a year like no other, but the role of the nurses and midwives and healthcare support workers during the global pandemic was recognised and applauded. As the Executive Director of Nursing for Nyren Bevan University Health Board, I'm proud of the nursing and midwifery provision. And on this special day, I would like to pay tribute to our international nurses who have joined the Health Board. Since last September, over 160 registered nurses have joined us from Asia and India, and the calibre is fantastic. This is ever more a poignant time to celebrate the overseas nurses being here as the COVID surge is impacting significantly in India. I offer my very best wishes to our nurses, their families, their colleagues and friends overseas. On International Nurses Day, I would like to say a special thank you to all nurses, midwives and healthcare support workers, locally, regionally, nationally and internationally. And my vision for the future is one that is simply very bright. Happy International Nurses Day. Diolch yn fawr.